abierta para el conjunto catalán. Con 4 receptores. Aquest va a recibir el balón. Aquest que tiene tiempo. Lanza al medio. Intenta completar. A una mano. Kyle Sweet recibió una mano. Luego lo paró con el cuerpo.
Play clock ticking down. Edwards. Shovel pass up the middle. A good play call and a touchdown for Antonio Montone. Acrobatic entry into the end zone by Montone. Not over in time. Kevin Fortes defensively for the Sea Devils.
First down and 10 yards to go. And a deep ball over the middle. Caught! Foot race to the end zone. Touchdown Dragons! And talk about Johnny on the spot. We haven't seen a whole heck of a lot of Roque Alarcon, but we're seeing a lot of them here in the tail end of this ball game. Well, Edwards just launches one. And Alarcon, as though this had been planned out for some time now.
Just struggle after struggle as Edwards wants to get the touchdown right here. Oh! Look at that! Kyle Sweet with the catch of the day. 4-6 and is the best in the European League of Football. All that Washington could do was just stand there.